first step is just to take your metal and flatten out about 2 inches from the very end. Once it's flattened, you're going to take it and square up your edges. Once you have it all flattened out, you're going to start working on your point. Once your point is forged, your next step is going to be setting the handle. Find a clean place on your anvil and hit it down to about halfway. Your next step is going to be cutting off the knife right there. Next, mark the end for a spot to drill for a keychain. Hit it with the center punch. Now we're going to drill it. Time to drill it. Now you just attach a keychain and you're done. And that's how you make a little keychain knife like this. It's a perfect little blacksmith style project, you know, works great with all sorts of things. Perfect gift, super simple if you want to get started in knife making, you know, to get the basics down. Or if you just love forging and want something to do. So there you go, guys. How to forge a keychain knife.